Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is painting a surface to look like weathered gray wood. To do this, you'll want your surface to paint, water, and a paintbrush, and you'll also want some gray paint and some brown paint. For gray paint, I'm using Apple Barrel's Granite Gray, and for brown paint, I'm using Deco Art Americana's Burnt Umber. To start, mix your gray paint with some water and wash it over the surface. You might want to rub it off after you paint it on. You just want a very light coat. After you've done that, take some of your brown paint and you're going to add distress marks, maybe knot holes, just a little bit of dirt and grime. And if you're painting something which has a shape to it, and there are places on the shape where you think that dirt and grime would accumulate, you want to concentrate your brown paint there. After you've done that, lightly dry brush the brown paint over the entire surface. When you dry brush, put some paint on your paintbrush, and then wipe most of it off by brushing it on a piece of paper or some other surface before you paint it onto the surface that you're painting. Go lightly because you can always add more if it looks like you need it. Once you've done that, mix water into your brown paint and wash that over most of the surface, but leave just a few areas where the gray paint can show through. And that's it. This gives a really good approximation of the gray weathered boards that I have, which are old palette boards. Here I've done this technique on 2 different projects. One is a box for a Christmas tree, and the other is a base for a pumpkin topiary. Happy crafting!